Alrighty, let's take a look at problem number 8. In this particular problem, you're going to be assessed on how to add whole numbers. Okay, in this particular example, we're looking at the arithmetic of adding a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. So, what is something to keep in mind to avoid making mistakes? When you're combining, adding or subtracting multi-digit integers or whole numbers, this is what you always want to recall. A good strategy is as follows. We're going to apply this to another problem shortly, you will see. You want to align the digits vertically by identical place values. Okay, so align the digits vertically by identical place values when adding and subtracting. Okay, all right, so let's do it. So we have 2,561. So 783, this is 100 tens and ones place, right? So you want to put the 7 right underneath the 5, 8, 3. You see the importance of what we're talking about. Make sure that they're aligned vertically by identical place values so you do not make any errors with your computation. All right, so what we're looking for here is the sum. So let's go ahead and add it up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 14. 4 carry 1. Then we have 6 plus 7. 3. Oh, snap, computer's not working. So we have a 3. And then a 3. Okay? So it's 3,344. The answer to question number 8 is option letter B. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for the test, to give us a like. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos, math tutorials to our page on a regular basis. So subscribe and stay in the loop. If you have any questions or comments as indicated earlier, just place it in the comment section below. We have a cool interactive practice test at our website, mathgotserved.com. Do check it out. And also take a look at the link in the description below for access to tons of math resources. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.